Hey guys, happy Monday of Thanksgiving. So I am so excited that we are on the tail end of your sugar detox. And so just a reminder, whether you've gotten all of your tasks done and checked the boxes or only a few, one thing to remember is we never want to beat ourselves up for what we didn't do. What we want to do is celebrate the things that we did do. And I think a lot of us as humans, and if you have any perfectionistic tendencies, we kind of look at the things we didn't accomplish, the things that we didn't finish, and unfortunately when we do that, that creates a lot of self-defeat. And none of us need self-defeat. We probably all struggle with self-sabotage as it is. And so one of the things I wanted to encourage you today is you want to count your wins. And so even if you can go into your app today, even if you scroll back, even, maybe you didn't check that you avoided sugar when you did, go ahead and check back. It's okay. It's not like, that there's this fairy that, it's like, oh, well, you forgot to check your box. Now, granted, we're looking for habit creation, right? So the main benefit of where we're checking in each day is really trying to establish new habits. But it's super hard, guys. It's super hard to establish new habits. And the best way to establish new habits is just keep trying. Just keep trying. And if you're a personality that just likes to say, oh, well, I blew it, I guess, screw it. What a new habit I'd like you to form is, whoops, I made a mistake. I'm going to step right back in right now, right here. I'm going to step back in right now, right here. Oops, I ate the cookie at work. It's okay. I'm going to step back in right now, right here. And so, talking with a couple of you guys, if you've had like stuff at work, which you probably have, yeah, it's really challenging to tell people, oh, I don't want that. I don't want that delicious cake that you made. And one, not only, does it look good, but we also don't want to hurt people's feelings. And so we very often consider other people's feelings in our food choices. So all of that's real. But I just want to encourage you that, you've made it this far. And even if you didn't get to every single thing every single day, I don't care. I want you to celebrate you. And so that is my message for you, is celebrate success. And I'd love to hear it in the little group chat. Give me some wins. If the win wasn't today, what was yesterday's win? If there wasn't the win yesterday, give me the day before. But something that you can really search the environment and go, I did well here. Because we're the fastest people to beat ourselves up, and we're the slowest people to celebrate our wins. So that's your goal today. I'd love to see and hear about what you have accomplished. I'll talk to you later.